Salom Doston, hi there friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hussein, and in this video we're going to talk about going to the hospital or a clinic in Tajikistan. And most of the doctors, they don't really speak English, they speak Russian and Tajik. So that's why it might be useful for you guys to know how to say something in Tajik. And I hope you'll never use that in Tajikistan, but you never know, you might need them someday. Alright. The hospital in Tajik will be Bemorkhona or Kasalkhona. Bemorkhona or Kasalkhona. And the word Bemor here means a patient, or Kasal also, patient. And Khona is a house. So it's like a house for sick people. It sounds weird, but it's literally like that. Alright, and the doctor will be Doktor. Doktor. Next, medicine. Medicine in Tajik will be Doru. Easy. Doru. And headache. The headache will be Dardi Sar. Dardi Sar. Sar means the head. And the toothache will be Dardi Dandon. Dardi Dandon. The heartache will be Dardi Dil. That's Dil. Dardi Dil. Stomachache, Dardi Shikam. Dardi Shikam. And the word dard just means pain, pain. Alright, now let's look at some phrases and sentences of what a patient might say to a doctor. So the first one, I need a doctor who speaks English. Ба ман духтуре лозим аст ки забони англисиро донад. One more time. Ба ман духтуре лозим аст ки забони англисиро донад. Alright, the next one is, it hurts here. It hurts here. Injoyam dard mekунад. Injoyam dard mekунад. Next, I feel better. Man khudro behtar his mekunam. Or I feel worse. Man khudro badtar his mekunam. One more time. Man khudro behtar his mekunam. I feel better. And man khudro badtar his mekunam. I feel worse. I'm sick. I'm sick will be man bemoram. Man bemoram. And my friend is sick. Dosti man bemor ast. Dosti man bemor ast. Or you can also say Dostam bemor ast. Dostam bemor ast. And also in Khojand, in the north, some people say mazamne instead of bemoram. Mazamne. Next, I feel nauseous. In Tajik will be Dilam behuzur meshavad. Dilam behuzur meshavad. Next, I've burned my finger. Man angushtamro sözondam. Man angushtamro sözondam. And angusht is not the word that everybody uses. Some people use lelak. In the north, we say lelak. But in the south, I've heard many times people using the word chelik. Chelik. I have a cough. I have a cough will be man sulfadoram. Man sulfadoram. And sometimes you might see somewhere not sulfa, but surfa with r in the middle. So people use both, sulfa or surfa. I've caught a cold. Man shamol khurdam. Man shamol khurdam. And I can't sleep. Khobam namebarat. Khobam namebarat. I have a headache. Saram dard mekunad. Saram dard mekunad. Or dardi sardoram. Dardi sardoram. Next, I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy will be saram charkh mezanad. Saram charkh mezanad. And I feel shivery. Man larzish doram. Man larzish doram. And larzish doram is quite formal. The way we say in the north, we say larzi dosiyam. Man larzi dosiyam. And the last one, I feel weak. I feel weak will be man khudro sust his mekunam or man khudro zaif his mekunam. One more time. Man khudro sust or man khudro zaif his mekunam. So now let's learn what the doctor might say. So the doctor says, what can I do for you? Chi khizmat. Chi khizmat. How do you feel? How do you feel will be Shmo khudaton ro chi khel his mekuned. Shmo khudaton ro chi khel his mekuned. And do you feel any pain? Shmo yagon dard his mekuned. Shmo yagon dard his mekuned. Where does it hurt? Kujoyaton dard mekunad. Kujoyaton dard mekunad. Do you have a temperature? Tabaton hast. Tabaton hast. How long have you been like this? چند وقت باز همین خیل حس میکنید؟ چند وقت باز همین خیل حس میکنید؟ Have you had this before? پیشتر از این درد شکایت داشتید؟ پیشتر از این درد شکایت داشتید؟ Are you on medication? شما دارو استعمال میکنید؟ شما دارو استعمال میکنید؟ And دارو is a medication. Pill. استعمال کردن is quite formal. The way we say in the north, we just say شما دارو میخورید. شما دارو میخورید, like to eat. Next, do you smoke? Do you smoke will be شما سیگار میکشید. شما سیگار میکشید. Or شما تماکو میکشید. شما تماکو میکشید. Alright, next one. Do you drink alcohol? شما نوشاکی های سپیرتی می نوشید. شما نوشاکی های سپیرتی می نوشید. Another one. Are you allergic to anything? شما یگان الرژی دارید. شما یگان الرژی دارید. There's one more thing that is not that common in Western countries, but in Tajikistan, we have a thing called kina kardan. Kina kardan, which means that to treat somebody who is cursed by the evil eye. For example, if you have a nice car, a fancy house, or a cool job, some people might feel envy. So as a result, you'll feel headache or maybe weak or like unlucky. So after that, you will go to the person who will do that, like kina kardan, and they will use a knife and some bread and some other stuff and hit you on your head and then on your back, and after that you will feel better. So people believe in that in Tajikistan. No medicine, no pills, you just go there. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes. They usually do that at home. So, and most of the time that's an old lady who can do that. And it's not a witch, it's nothing bad, just some people who have that gift who can do that, who can help you. And immediately after that ritual, you'll feel better. So you just pay a little. It's usually less than $1, but it's up to you. You can pay as much as you want and make them very happy. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching our videos. I hope you will never use them in Tajikistan or anywhere else, and you'll be healthy and happy. So until next time, take care. See you in the next video. Khair.